If people interrupt you, talk over you, or don't quite take you seriously, it's not because you lack confidence. It's because you're unconsciously ranked low. And since that has happened, everything you do gets filtered through it. Most of your actions are ignored, most of your opinions overruled. This puts you in this loop where you start feeling unimportant, mainly because people treat you like you're unimportant, ultimately messing with your confidence. Most people will tell you to be more charismatic, have better body language, and although it does count, and we've covered that on this channel, sometimes there's more to it than that. Because insecurity isn't always internal, sometimes it's feedback from the social environment you're in. You see, humans rank each other automatically. Not consciously, not morally, but instantly. It's instinctive. The ranking isn't based on intentions, rather it's based on signals. Signals like how you handle silence, how you react when challenged, how much you seem to need approval, how grounded your speech is. This happens before you prove anything. Now, before anything, you need to make sure you never, ever do the following. Even when you feel disrespected or overlooked, these are some of the grave sins of social dynamics. Never compensate by explaining more or speaking faster. Never become agreeable or try to prove your value. Let me give an example. This is Billy. Billy feels like he's getting left out. So the moment Billy's given the opportunity to talk, he starts to obey these behaviours.
What do you think, Billy?
Oh, yeah, you're definitely right. They need to stop doing that because I saw their finances, and according to this thing I studied on this course.
He rushes his sentences, agrees without adding, and tries to prove his value. Here's a real-life example of the right way to do it.
The Oscars and things like that. I was not very happy about it.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
And what do you think about when you're going to work with Hugh Grant?
Well, what you probably don't know about Hugh is how jolly of a character he is. It's infectious humor and laughter and just so happy it pisses everyone off.
That's why some quiet and awkward men are respected, and some extremely skilled and capable men are ignored. The difference isn't effort, it's non-reactivity. If you need to adapt just one effort to never be seen as low status again, it's this. Stop trying. You need to consciously assume that this conversation, no matter how important it might seem, is below your pay grade. It's unimportant, there is no use to it. This will force you to speak at a normal pace, speak naturally, and stop trying to prove your value, and at all costs fight the urge to prove yourself. This may seem like nothing to you, but the people around you will notice this. This is just one piece of advice you need to take away from this video, because I'm not going to bombard you with information you won't remember. Make sure you try to implement just this one mindset into every conversation you take part in. And over the next few videos, we'll discuss more and more strategies to implement to turn you into an effortlessly charismatic and respected person. If you found this video useful, then make sure to like and subscribe and comment your own tips, and I'll see you next time.